morning, everyone. So before we get right into this fancy names, I want you to observe the black things around you, like your chairs, your tablet, and you will notice something that these black things have different shades, like the intensity of the colors. So what if I tell you that there is the blackest color on earth that exists, which is called Vantablack, which is the very new technology launched in 2014. Okay, so Vantablack is derived from vertically aligned nanotube arrays. And this is invented in 2014 by Ben Johnson, who is the CTO and the co-founder of the Surrey Nano Systems, a British company. And then he sold the license to this artist whose name is Anish Kapoor, who now will be the only person who owns the license to use this Vantablack. So on the next slide, I will tell you that Vantablack is made from carbon nanotube. And to explain more, carbon nanotube is made from graphene, which is the single sheet of the carbon plate. And then the engineers roll those graphene into carbon nanotubes that it will possess the very strong properties which contribute to the very black color of the Vantablack. And how Vantablack becomes so dark, on the next slide, you will see that it is very dark and also it is very hydrophobic because of the carbon nanotube properties. And the reason that it's very dark is because of the very billions of space on the carbon nanotube, that when light shines into that space, it's like a forest and those lights get trapped and cannot escape. So the potential of this Vantablack is that it absorbs about 99.96% of light. So on the next slide, no, not on this slide, more. Okay, you can see that there is this object which is three-dimensional, but when you coat the Vantablack or spray on it, it will appear two-dimensional. Here, this is the Vantablack. You can see that there are no edges at all. Like when you compare it into the tin foil, there's like a void. Yeah, but it is really an object that is like that. So let's look at that. And here is also one of the applications. It is the Switch watchmaker, which costs around $95,000, and it is coated with Vantablack. So there is more application that is in the artistic way, like in the exhibitions. In this shape here, you can see that it is very dark, and people can be more creative about it. Also, there's an idea that the BMW will apply the coating on their car, but I think that it's not practical since it can be very dark at night. So it's like for exhibition. Yeah. And lastly, you can see that there's also Vantablack building that is exhibited in the Virtual Olympic Games in 2018. And this is because of the amazing technology that you can see that it's very dark. And also to sum up, Vantablack is one of the very black object on Earth that in the future there will be more like developments and more competition with the Vantablack. And I hope that this presentation is very interesting and you can learn more about it. Thank you.